Hello everyone, please welcome and join me G Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you the most popular dish, rice pilaf dish, is called Zarda rice. This is very tasty and it's very delicious. I'm going to use a basmati rice, 2 cup basmati rice. What I have done, I soaked in the warm water for 2 hours. I'm going to use the sugar, it's a 3/4 cup. Sugar you always can adjust according to your taste. In the normal way, whenever someone makes a rice, Zarda rice, if they are using 2 cup rice, they add 1 cup sugar. That you can adjust according to your taste. Then we're going to use it desi ghee, 2 tablespoons. This is a clarified butter. 4 cup water. I'm going to use 5 cloves, green cardamom, 5 of these, 1 tablespoon pistachios, 1 tablespoon sliced coconut, and sliced almond, 1 tablespoon. You can add raisins, you can add any other dry fruit, cashews, and the most important, the color. We're going to use egg yellow food color. And let's get started. I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high, and I'm going to bring fry pan. First we're going to bring sugar and water. The egg yellow color, we're going to bring half teaspoon. And we're going to mix it. Once the color is nicely dissolved, the other things we're going to do, we're going to bring the cloves, green cardamom. And now we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to bring the water to boil. It's a 3 minutes. The water started to boil. Now the water is boiling, so now I'm going to bring the rice. Mix it. Now I'm going to cover with the lid, and on high gas we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking our Zarda rice for exactly 5 minutes on high flame. Now I'm going to bring this one to low, simmer. And most important thing is we are not going to open it. Now we're going to let Zarda rice simmer for 10 minutes. And we want that steam to stay inside, so all the rice will cook perfectly to our perfection. So please don't open it for 10 minutes. Then we're going to open it, and then we're going to bring desi ghee and the dry nuts. And that I'm going to share with you how to add them. And one thing I wanted to share with you, by following this method, this is the quickest, the fastest, and the efficient way to make a Zarda rice. This Zarda rice, you don't have to discard the water, because if you're discarding the water, the most nutritious things, you throw it away. By doing this way, you're keeping everything intact. So please follow this recipe and you're going to like it. So please don't open. We will wait for 10 minutes. It's 8 minutes, and now we're going to start on other gas. I'm going to get a fry pan. I'm going to bring 2 tablespoons desi ghee. As the desi ghee start to melt, exactly 9 minutes. Cooking our Zarda rice. It's 1 more minute. And the time, 1 more minute, we're going to bring almonds, coconut slice, pistachios, and we're going to cook it for like 1 minute. We don't need to burn it, we just want to cook it so they can get a little tender. And now it's looking perfectly fine. As you see that the coconut start to burn up. So this is all we need. And now I'm going to take this one to our Zarda rice. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. Look at our Zarda rice. And I'm going to bring right on top of it. Now with the help of fork, look at this. I'm going to bring all the rice. Look at each grain is separate. And slowly we're going to mix it. Wow, look at this. It's so nice. This is so easy and quick way to make our Zarda rice. Now I'm going to mix it, and you don't want to push too hard, otherwise the rice will break. Look at the Zarda. It's all, each grain is nicely separate. So after adding the dry fruit, mixing the desi ghee slowly, and it took us another minute. Now I'm going to cover with the lid again. On a low gas, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes on a simmer. I'm going to turn the gas off. And now I'm going to open it. I'm going to turn the fan on. Within 5 minutes, the desi ghee and the dry nuts, they are marinated with our rice pulao. And look at that. This is a Zarda rice. Zarda rice pulao is ready, and I'm going to dish out. Wow, I can't wait. After watching this video, I'm sure you're going to feel like making it. Look at these. Each one of them separate. That's one of the most important part. After 5 minutes of cooking on high gas, then you don't open it. Look at this. I'm going to drop it. How they look. They are falling. They are falling each grain separately. There is no mushiness or like a khichdi. This is what you want, Zarda rice. Let me zoom in for you. So when you're dropping, they are dropping. Each one of them separate. As you're dropping, they are falling, and they are like a mountain. You know how you put it something right on the top, how it falls, just rolls down, just like that. This is perfect Zarda, 10 out of 10. And the most easiest and efficient method. Our quick and easy Zarda rice pulao is ready, and I hope you're going to like it. This is so easy to make and so delicious. And as I mentioned earlier, as for sugar, that you always can adjust according to your taste. I hope you're going to like it. The Zarda rice pulao. This is the best dessert and it's the most famous. So please try it. And if you like this dish, like always, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.